Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is 7, number 4, this is given, and that is we have to prove. So a square, we can change this 2 to that side. So 2 by 3 plus 3 minus 2 by 3, then it will be minus 2. Then a square will be, this one can be written as 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole square plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. So you can see that it is a square plus b square minus 2. Can we write it as ab? A is this one, 3 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now you might say that, sir, there is only 2, you have added this part. So actually adding this part does not make any difference. Why? Because this part is equal to actually 1. How it is equal to 1? Let me show you. 3 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. So this will give me 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3. As there is into, the power will be added, but plus minus, it will become minus. So 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 0. So 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So if this is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is same as 2. So that is why we can write it in this way. And that gives us an advantage that we can use the corollary. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, or I'm sorry, the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So according to that, we can write a minus b whole square. So you can see that here we have a square, here we have something square. So square, if we just take the root over on both the sides, square will be cancelled, and a will be equal to 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. So then from here we can get a hint what to do next. We have cube here, right? So we can do cube on both the sides, 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay. So next what we can do is we can expand. Okay. Simon is trying to join. Simon. 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 তোমাদের তো এখন ক্লাস আছে না, তোমরা তোমাদের ক্লাস করো, আমি ক্লাসটা রেকর্ড করে তোমাদেরকে পাঠিয়ে দিব, বুঝছো? ইমন, তুমি আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
ওকে স্যার, ওকে ওকে।
তোমাদের তো রেগুলার ক্লাস আছে না, যদি ফ্রি টাইম হইতো তাহলে জয়েন করতে পারো, বাট এখন তোমাদের ক্লাস আছে, ক্লাস মিস করে এখানে জয়েন করতে হবে। আমি এমনিতে রেকর্ড করে এটা পাঠাবো তোমাদের ইনশাআল্লাহ। So a cube
ওকে স্যার,
b cube minus 3 a b into a minus b. This line we have to consider as equation 1 so that we can use it as reference. So then we get a cube is equal to 3 and 3, they will get cancelled, so it will be 3 to the power 1, that means 3, minus, it will be 3 cancelled, 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, and then this one will become 1 again, as I have already showed you. 3 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, they will multiply and become 1, so 3 will be left. So 3 into, and this part can be written equal to a. Okay, so from equation 1, we have to give side note that from equation 1 we have got this. So a cube is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 3a. So a cube will be equal to 3, it will be 9 minus 1 minus 9a. LCM. So cross multiply, it will be 3a cubed is equal to 9 minus 1, 8 minus 9a. So minus 9a if I change the side, it is 3a cubed plus 9a is equal to 8. So this is what they have told us to prove, and we have proved. Okay. So kindly let me know if you have any doubt in this. Okay. So this is problem number 77. This is what is given, and this is the left hand side. We have to prove that this is equal to 1. So how we can do that? At first, 1 divided by, we can write x to the power b plus 1 by x to the power c plus 1. Then from here, 1 by x to the power c, let it be as it is, x to the power minus a. Now from here, if I want, I can find out an expression for minus a. You can see that b plus c, if I keep on one side, a, if I change to another side, it will become minus a. So minus a can be replaced by x to the power b plus c. So x to the power minus a, I can replace by b plus c plus 1. Then plus 1 divided by x to the power a plus 1 by x to the power b plus 1. Then it can be written as LCM will be x to the power c, x to the power b into x to the power c, as there is into the power will be added, plus 1 plus x to the power c into 1, that will be x to the power c only, plus 1 by x to the power c plus x to the power b plus c plus 1, plus here it will be x to the power b, it will be the LCM, then x to the power a plus b plus 1 plus x to the power b. Okay. Then if I invert it, then it will be x to the power c in the numerator, and denominator will be this one, x to the power b plus c plus 1 plus x to the power c, plus here it will be as it is, x to the power c plus b plus c plus 1. Then this one will become x to the power b will be the numerator, then x to the power a plus b. Now a plus b can be written, see, a plus b, if I keep on one side and take c on the other side, it can be written as minus c. So I will just replace it here as x to the power minus c. A plus b can be replaced by minus c plus 1 plus x to the power b. Okay. Okay. So the first one, we will keep it same, x to the power b plus c. Sorry, it is x to the power c only. Divided by x to the power b plus c plus 1 plus x to the power c plus 1 by x to the power c plus x to the power b plus c plus 1 plus this one, we can do further calculation. X to the power minus c, this can be written as 1 plus x to the power. Okay. We have to do the same. Will give us 1 plus x to the power c into x to the power c into x to the power b. Again, it will give us x to the power b plus c, because whenever it is multiplied, the powers are added. So this x to the power c, this will come in the numerator, x to the power b into x to the power c, okay, and 1 plus x to the power c plus c. Okay. Now this one, as there is into, I can write it in this way, right? As there is into, the powers will be added, so it can be written as b plus c, correct? I'm just shortening one line. You have to write it as a separate line. So if you notice now, the denominator is same. In all the case, the denominator is same. So the denominator will be x to the power b plus c plus 1 plus x to the power c. And in the numerator, we have x to the power c plus 1 plus x to the power b plus c. So if you check the denominator and the numerator, they both are the same. So the same thing will be divided, so it will be equal to 1, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. So this is 7-7. Now we will take a look at question number 9. Narin has asked out about 9, 3 and 4. So I will solve one of them. Inshallah, I believe the other one you'll be able to do it yourself. So number 9, 3. Number 9, 3, 4 to the power 3y minus 2. 4 to the power 3y minus 2 is equal to 16 to the power x plus 1. Now this is a little bit different from the previous ones because here we have got two variables, right? So as there is two variables, minimum two equations are required to solve the problem. Okay, so the second equation we have 3 to the power x plus 2y is equal to 9 to the power 2x plus 1. So we can develop two equations. 4 can be written as 2 square, and as we have the base 2 here, we should try to put the base 2 here as well. So 2 to the power 16 is 4. So 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 3 to the 6y minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 4x plus 4y. So as base is same, the power can be written equal. So 6y minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 4y. Okay, so now if we change everything to right hand side, then it will be 4x plus 4y minus 6y plus 4. So the equation will look like 4x plus 4y minus 6y, so minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and then another equation we can develop. You can take actually two common from here. Okay, if you take two common, the equation will look like this. Okay, so you can consider this one as equation 1, and then from here we can develop another equation. 9 can be written as 3 squared 2x plus 1. So x plus 2y is equal to 3 to the power 4x plus 2. Sorry, it is 3 to the power. Okay, as the base is same, the power can be written equal again. X plus 2y is equal to 4x plus 2. So again 0 is equal to 4x plus 2. This x is taken beside minus x and it will become minus 2y. So 4x minus x, it will be 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this one can be considered as equation 2. Now the rest part, inshallah, I believe you can do it yourself because already you have gone through the simple simultaneous equation with two variables. This chapter in general math, there you have solved these equations using four methods. Okay, substitution, elimination, cross multiplication, and graphical. Use any one of them to solve this pair of equation. Inshallah, you will be getting the value of x and y. Okay. So the rest part, kindly do it yourself, and if there is any problem, then let me know before the next class. I will develop the similar form of equation for question number 4 also. Okay, and then you do the solution by any of the four methods that I have mentioned. So 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is into 2 to the power 3y plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is the first equation. Let us deal with it first. As there is into in between, the power will be added. So 2x plus 1 plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 8. So it will be to the power 2x plus 3y plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cubed. The base is same, so the power can be written equal. 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 3. Now 3, if I change the side, then 2x plus 3y plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. As you can see, we have already developed our equation number 1. Then similarly, from the other equation that is given, to the power x plus 2, y plus 2, 16. So what can we write? To the power x plus 2 plus y plus 2, as there is into the power will be added, to the power 4. So to the power x plus y plus 4 is equal to x to the power 4. So not x, 2. So base is same, the power will be equal. Again, we have two equations. You can use any of the method to solve this two equation and find the value of x and y. Okay. So here you go. All of your doubt has been discussed. So kindly revisit these problems, and if you have any problem or doubt, if the answer is not matching or any other doubt, let me know before the next class. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.